And here we are today in the compound on the Africa Twin, the 2022 Honda CRF 1100L. Kind of clean today, so that's why we're on the road. Good morning, people. Today we're just going to take a quick ride around the city. So let's ride. Okay, that was quick enough. Okay, let's go home. Alright, here we are, out in the middle of nowhere. Odd to see a car here. And another car. Really weird. It's usually pretty deserted out here. This place is known as Palm Bay's Compound. It was touted as a huge development by General Development Corporation, GDC, where they sold a bunch of lots to foreign investors and everybody else, and never built anything. And of course they went bankrupt. But it's weird to see somebody's mowing it now. And I see they're trying to build a couple of houses back there. We'll check those out in a little while. Well, let's just take one of these. And oddly enough, every one of these streets have a name. As you can see, they're a little overgrown here. That's a little better. Okay, this is new. The compound is notoriously just a dumping ground. But this is the first time I saw boats out here. Amazing how disgusting people are. And look it up there. Looks like somebody living down there in a motorhome. Amazing. And here we are today in the compound on the Africa Twin, the 2022 Honda CRF 1100L. Kind of clean today, so that's why we're on the road. get too close. This is a good spot for dirt bike riders and quads. It's notoriously sandy and or muddy. But I know a lot of guys that are running out here. They have a lot of fun. You okay, bud?
Oh, yeah. We're selling it. I just take it for a little ride and just looking under the. It's a good spot to stop instead of.
It certainly
down on the
is.
street. I crawl underneath, look, see if it's got any oil leaks.
Cool.
Dude, I've always wanted to come out here. I'm on Melbourne Beach.
Oh, really? You don't want to come out here. There's 2 boats back there, and I think there's somebody living behind it.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's disgusting.
No, just to see what's going on. I hear about the compound.
Yeah, it's nasty.
You know? Is it?
Yeah.
Like, guys already told me, they're like, you gotta watch it. Guys are back there hunting, you know, and shit like that. You gotta watch. There's gunshots going off. Because I got a side-by-side that's that I made street legal. I got a Yamaha Viking. It's all registered and everything out of South Dakota. So I drive that beachside. I come across the bridge and all that. The kids always try to bug me to come bring it here, you know, tool around. Dude, this was a big project that just fucking went belly up, huh?
Big time. Yeah.
Man.
They took a lot of money.
I can't believe how big it is.
Yeah.
You know?
And all the streets have names.
Oh, yeah.
Doesn't mean it's good. All right, brother, man.
Hey, no, thanks for checking.
Yeah, no problem.
Yo, how do you like the Hondas?
Oh, I love Honda. I'll see you later,
Take
man.
it easy. Hey, thank you for stopping.
No worries.